Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see our third unit, types of forces. Now let's see about types of forces. There are two types of forces. The first one is contact force and the second one is non-contact force. Let's see about contact force. What is contact force? When a force is applied by touching the object, it is called as contact force. Example is lightning of matchstick. Lightning of matchstick requires a force that is applied by touching the object to create an lightning. So, it is an example of contact force. Now, let's move on to non-contact force. When a force is applied without touching an object, it is called non-contact force. The examples are vacuum cleaner and magnet. Magnet does not require any touching of object, but it will attract the iron objects by a force. So, it is an example of non-contact force. In this slide, we are going to see about types of contact forces. The contact force is classified into three types. They are muscular force, mechanical force, and frictional force. Now, let us see about muscular force. The force applied by using the parts of our body is called muscular force. Example, weightlifting. In this picture, you can see about a boy lifting an weight by using his muscular force. Now, let's see about mechanical force. Mechanical means what? Mechanical means using machines. The force applied by a machine is called as mechanical force. Example, using a bulldozer to dig a ground. In this picture, you can see a man digging a ground with the help of machine. So, this is an example of mechanical force. Now the next slide is frictional force. Frictional force is the force exerted by the surface when an object moves over it. It is called as frictional force. For example, a boy playing with a car. Now the car moves up to some extent and suddenly stops. We know that the object cannot stop without the force. The force that has stopped the car is the frictional force. Now, let's see about non-contact forces. The non-contact forces are classified into three types. They are gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Now let's see about gravitational force. What is gravity? If you take a ball and throw into the air, the ball falls back down to the ground. Why does it fall back to the ground? Yes, it is because of the gravitational force that is present inside the earth. The earth pulls the objects towards itself. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called as gravitational force. In the picture, you can see an apple falling from the tree, and you can see the equation, that is F is equal to ma. Here F represents force and ma represents mass into acceleration. In this slide, we are going to see about magnetic force. What is magnetic force? A magnetic material that attracts things made up of iron using its force, that is magnetic force, to stick with each other. In this picture, you can see a magnet using its force to attract a spanner which is made up of iron. Now, let's see about friction. Friction is a force action between two surfaces in contact or when they slide over one another. Examples are pulling trolley and sliding. If you take a slider as an example, the friction between the girl and the slider is very less. It is because of the smooth surface of the slider that makes the girl easily to slide over. So, this is an example of friction.